Hello and Tashle all. I am Gonpo Dhondup, the current president of Tibetan Youth Congress. TYC is the largest Tibetan non-government organization based in Dharamshala. The right to protest is a basic human right which is completely neglected in the Tibet under the control of the Chinese Communist government. I, as a third generation Tibetan in exile, born to be an activist, participated in a protest activity a number of times. I got detained several times. The very reason of engagement in the protest activity and the social campaign is to raise the voice of innocent Tibetan voiceless people who is suffering under the brutal Chinese rule for last 6 decades. The core mission of Tibetan Youth Congress is to restore a Tibet independent. This stems from the fact that the Chinese occupation of the Tibet is illegal, and the China has assumed a complete control over the Tibet for last 7 decades. Tibet rule under this tyrannical regime and the miscarriage of justice needs to an end. Therefore, the protest campaign are the important tactical measure to achieve our strategic goal of freeing Tibet from the clutches of authoritarian regime who have abused the power for the centuries and they gotten away with it. Effective protest campaign on the human rights, political, social, and environmental issue affecting the Tibet not only put the China on the spotlight, but also adds global pressure on China to be accountable for their actions. I strongly believe the non-violent resistance inside the Tibet echoed around the globe by the non-violent campaign and the protest activities in Tibetan exile groups is a successful model to challenge a repressive regime like China. And also it's encouraged the non-violent resistance and the campaign across the globe against the injustice. Therefore, every act of defiance, resistance, and the protest serve as an important tactical measure for achieving TYC's strategic goal of freeing Tibet from the clutches of China. Therefore, we will continuously protest and the campaign against the communist government until our freedom and the independence is restored. Thank you, Pegelo.